Alright, I guess it's live. Alright, everybody. This is the NX2 Turbo. We put on corn-fed EcoBoost 2019 Mustang. And this is going to be the first fire up. So, you know, fingers crossed here, everybody. Fire in the hole! No eco boom. All right, we're gonna check for oil leaks on that lower. Hey. Some residual there, but nothing's leaking. No coolant's leaking, no oil's leaking out of the top one. That looks so good. I hope you're happy, Andrew. All right. Looks like it's working. Hi, honey. So, you're gonna need to get a bolt and a washer to secure this. This didn't come with one. Or if it came with one, I don't know where it is. Let's go back to the back, have a look-see. It's just a little 4-cylinder. I don't know where. I don't know how I'm supposed to end alive. All right, man. So that's the green light, half of red light, green light. This is going away next. These are what, 12-inch rotors? I think we're going to 14-inch rotors or 10-inch to 12-inch. I don't know. All right, man. She's purring like a kitten. You're never getting this car back. Bye. Okay, how do I end alive?